In this video, we are going to look at different types of lavatory sinks. Grifform offers 5 different styles of lavatory sinks. These include formed, coved, round corner, scoop, and ramping. You can select between these various different sink styles. Through our custom vanity website, you can choose to integrate these different sinks into a vanity top. You can select these different types in our standard sizes or create a custom size. Standard size sinks are typically much more cost effective than custom sinks.